How to Make Money Online for Beginners Part 2. Search and know your skill set. What do I mean by skill set? Well, what skills do you have? What skills do you already possess? You need to apply that to what you'll be doing online if you want to make money quickly. Therefore, if you don't know how to, for instance, use technology, if you don't know how to download a video or a picture, you probably are going to struggle to learn this new skill set to become a digital marketer, for instance, right? It doesn't mean you can't. It just means that it's going to take a little more time, which while you're searching your skill set, you should also give yourself some grace because first of all, you're trying to better your life. That is commendable. Okay. Search your skill set. Know your limitations. You can learn. Every single one of us can learn. If our brain works, we can learn. So just because you don't possess a skill set doesn't mean that you can't learn one. But know your limitations. If you are limited in your abilities or limited in your time, which most people are, then you need to find something that fits into your lifestyle. So search and know your skill set would be my second best advice for that online building income.